Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Facebook application to open it up. And once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through the news feed. Now, if you wish to change your email address, tap on your account icon at the top right corner underneath the messenger icon. Now from this page, simply tap on your profile, and now from your profile page, tap on edit profile. From this page, scroll all the way down and tap on edit your about info. From this page, scroll down and underneath contact info, you will find your email address. Tap on the edit button and now you can tap on the add new contact option. After tapping on the add new contact button, you can tap on add email address and then proceed with adding your email address. After choosing your Facebook account, go ahead and type in your desired email address and tap on the next button. You will then be asked to verify your identity by entering your password and then by providing the verification code sent to your new email. After providing the verification code, you will see the new email address appear underneath contact information. After your new email has appeared, you can tap on your old email address and then tap on delete email to remove the other email address from your account. And now your Facebook email address will be changed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.